Alright guys, today I'll be showing you how to change the brakes on this Honda Accord 2000. The car needs brakes because actually let me show you. You can hear it. You can hear the little metal tab touching the disc. This is what's touching the disc. This metal like a clip. What happened is once this pad wears, it can wear only so much before it starts touching this metal clip. The disc will start touching the metal clip, and that's what produces this sound, this noise, alarming you and telling you, hey, change your brakes, because pretty soon you're gonna be metal to metal. What means is this metal piece of a brake will start touching your disc, your rotor, and that will your brakes. So yeah, I'll show you guys now how to do it. It's a simple thing. Everybody can do it with a couple of tools, and just so you don't have to waste money on the mechanics, because it's a simple. Things you're gonna need are just the regular tools. Couple of them. You're gonna need your tools for your tire, and then to take it off, you're gonna need a jack. Make sure you secure your car so it doesn't move. You're gonna need 17 millimeters for a caliper, and maybe a screwdriver, but nothing special. All these tools you probably have already. So yeah, let me get into it and I'll show you guys how to do it. It's almost same on every single car nowadays, so yeah, not much is different. So yeah, let me show you. First, remove the bolt. 19 millimeters. Now you have here two bolts. They're 17 mil that hold this whole caliper, which holds brakes on each side. Brake pads. So you can remove that with the wrench, or like I'll do it with impact. One other thing is, if you cannot access these bolts, you can start the car. In a drive, you can start it, or you can just switch the key and then turn the wheel like so. That way you have some more room for the impact gun or whatever you're using. That's one. That's another one. These two bolts that are holding the caliper and the cylinder, whatever you guys call it, make sure that you put them back where they were. The one with the little clip on top that spins, a safety clip, whatever it is called, goes on top, and one with just a regular one goes back on the bottom. So yeah, make sure you remember where to put them. Don't misput. Don't just change. Don't change the where they used to be. Put them back where they used to be. So yeah. The next thing is caliper, pulling it off. It's a really simple thing. Most of the time it will just pop off, or you can use a screwdriver to pry it off like that. But yeah, since this one has been worn a lot, the pads are, it's really easy to take it off. That's one of them. On this one there is a little bit life left. And the next one. On this one, it's pretty damn close. As you can see right there, this one there's barely anything left, so this clip was indicating, hey, change me. So yeah, this was caught on time before the metal started touching the disc and causing imperfections on the disc. That way you would have to change the disc as well. Some other things when changing the brakes, most of the brake kits, you're gonna get these to replace as well. If you don't, you can reuse the old one, not a big deal. So yeah, these are the new ones. They're way better. I mean, as you can see, there is only a little bit left on the old one, so put them back the way it was. One is in, and there is next one right there. Just how it was. Okay. For this part, a lot of people struggle. You have to compress the cylinder. There's a lot of specialty tools that are made to do that. I use something like this, where I would just compress it as much as I can. Alright, as you can see, it's been compressed. Now it lets you put it back on, like so. Alright, remember to put these on where they were. You can grease them a little bit. Don't grease the brakes though. This part certainly you can, as well as the other part. Here we go. You can, the proper way would be to torque the bolts, but if you don't have a torque crank, just tighten them really good, as much as you can, and that pretty much, that's it. You do not have to bleed the brakes, unless the car cannot move, then you have to re-bleed it or readjust the cylinder. But this way it works just fine. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do it, guys. Next thing is to turn the wheel back on, put the wheel, and that would be it. That's the brakes done. So yeah, make sure you like it, subscribe, and share with your friends. And I'll see you guys probably next time in the next video. Latest.